It's no secret that first impressions matter. For most businesses, that first impression is their sign. We're in Redding, California to see how a family-owned and operated business brings lasers, metal, paint, and expertise together to build high-quality signs that get installed across America. You must be Kevin.
Hey, Eric. How you doing?
Good. Is this what you drive to pick the kids up from school?
Yeah, one of the many. This is my dad, Pat.
Hi, Pat. I'm Eric.
Hey, Eric. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. This is a great facility you guys have.
Thank you.
So you're the son, you're the dad.
Yep.
Family business.
Correct.
How many generations?
3 generations. We started with my wife's father. That's where the McHale comes in. I started with him in 1976, I believe. Did a little bit of college, and then here I am. And we bought them out, I think, in '95. And Kevin's been with us since I was born. Since he was born.
You probably learned to weld when you were 5, 6.
Not quite that young, but I ran a forklift when I was pretty young.
Cool. Yeah. Should we roll our sleeves up and make a sign?
Yeah, let's build some signs.
Hey, you want to get dirty?
I do. Let's do it. Before any building can take place, Kevin and his team need to understand their customers' space and design requirements. Patrick in the design shop is stop number 1 on our sign building tour.
So Eric, this is Patrick.
Hi.
Eric. Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you, Patrick.
He does all of our graphics and machining setup.
Sign designers need to weigh the customer's vision with their ability to manufacture it in the real world.
Like this project here, this is a quick fuel gas station. This will be going to
First, let's go to Charlotte.
Charlotte, North Carolina. So this is a reface, essentially, that we're going to be putting a new routed out aluminum face on with backed acrylic and second surface graphics. So this is what the customer sees, and then it should look just like the picture once we're done with it.
You're the brains behind all of it.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
You hear that? Pretty much.
You've kind of seen the setup process, and on the front end, as far as the machining, now we can actually go out and physically into the warehouse and run some equipment.
Get our hands dirty.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Patrick. After the design is locked in, it's time to prep the raw materials. In this case, the sign will have an aluminum face.
This is 60 by 120, 1/8" aluminum. We're gonna CNC this for some faces that go to Charlotte, North Carolina for a quick fuel gas station. So if you wanna help me get this on the router, you can get on this end here.
Okay.
We're gonna pick it up, stand it up, then walk it over here, and then we'll flop it over onto the table.
Got it. Sounds easy. Bit sharp.
It's not too bad.
Aluminum, stainless steel, bronze, and brass are all common metals used by sign manufacturers. Aluminum is popular due to its lightweight, durability, and strength.
And typically, we'd get it lined up on the table, set the home on the router, and then bring the carriage up, set the depth, and then it does all the work from there.
I love that. Kevin's customers pay for quality, speed, and precision, which means big machines and computer-driven automation. This CNC machine will accurately cut aluminum to 1/100th of a millimeter. We'll move on to the sign frame while the CNC works its magic.
So this is kind of the metal shop area. You want to weld?
I've never welded before.
That's what they make grinders for. This is Todd. He can kind of get you laid out. He's one of our main fabricators. Get you some safety glasses and a jacket on and get to welding.
So what do I need to know so I don't weld myself to the sign?
Well, it's not stick welding. All you gotta do is pull the trigger.
Pull the trigger. Here we go. I can't see anything.
Alright, you gotta flip it up.
Flip it up.
When you get close,
set.
you just nod your head. When you get everything close and stable, get in there.
And hold just the handle here, not the pipe. You ready?
Let it rip.
Go ahead. I'll watch you.
Okay, here we go. Welding is serious business, even if the power to melt metal puts a non-stop smile on your face. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be.
Not bad.
You want to weld that other side now?
Yes.
Man, you're a master.
All right, here we go. I may not make the prettiest welds, but the guys assured me they would be structurally sound.
I can keep that weld. I ain't gonna grind it out even.
All right, that makes me feel good.
No, that's
Thank
really
you.
good.
Thanks for saying that.
go in the paint booth if you want to see some painting done, or we could show you some machining or some sheet metal work.
Let's do the paint booth.
All right.
The next stop on this sign's journey is the paint booth. This self-contained, explosion-proof chamber uses fans to add positive air pressure and keep dirt and dust off the signs.
Here we are in the paint booth. Let's start off by getting your respirator on, and then I'll show you around the booth.
Okay.
That gets the air started. Then you can squeeze it. There's 2 stages. You can squeeze a little bit harder and get the paint going. Since I don't have a respirator, I'm gonna let you do the rest. Good luck, buddy.
Thank you.
If unprotected, this metal would be susceptible to corrosion. The primer and paint both act as a barrier, preventing the entry of oxygen and water into the pores of the metal. This step is critical to keeping the sign free from rust and staining problems down the road.
So you've shown me all over the manufacturing floor. What would you say is your favorite thing about this job?
The thing I love about this job and this industry is there's so many different aspects of it, and every job is a little bit different. So, you know, we've kind of seen painting, welding, graphic design, machining. I think my favorite part of the job is just how there's so many different moving parts, and everybody has a different challenge. Every project's got different challenges. So
while the team at the warehouse finishes up the gas station sign, we're headed to another job site to install a sign for a veterinarian clinic.
all right, Eric, here we are at the job site. I'd like to introduce you to the crew. This is Mike Burlick,
Great to meet you.
You too, buddy.
Jason Shelton.
Good to meet you, Jason.
So they're here putting a new set of letters up. They started yesterday. Removed the old letters, and now we're going to be putting a new set up.
All right, and you're gonna show me how to do it.
Show you how to install. Let's get you harnessed up.
Mike has been doing this work for more than 30 years, and I'm told operating a bucket truck is just as fun today as it was the first time.
Hey, Eric, let's go ahead and sign, huh?
Yeah.
Couple letters. Clip on and we'll fire her up, huh?
Fire it
Hang on,
up.
baby.
Here, the team is installing a set of channel letters. This sign will end up being about 15 feet wide, so it can be easily read from street level.
Okay, I got us in position. Don't tighten it all the way, just go. There you go. That's good. I gotta rotate it to get it to the next one. Looks good, bro.
All right. So now we just rinse and repeat.
Yeah.
All the letters are up.
Go down. Yeah, you can only put so many in here, right?
It's a two-man job today. While Mike and I drill the letters onto the wall, Jason is working below, making sure the electrical component of each letter is prepped for install.
Do you think I got what it takes to do this job?
Oh, absolutely. It's all about, on-the-job training.
Yeah. That's fantastic. I had a really good time.
Yeah, me too, Eric.
Thanks, Mike.
You bet, buddy.
Thanks for showing me what it takes.
Yeah, you bet.
I also want to say thank you to Kevin and Pat, all of the McHale Signs team. Thank you for showing us what it takes to be made in Shasta. I am going to try and keep this harness, though. Is that cool?
I don't know. That's up to Kevin.
Well, I'll push my luck.
All right, guys. Another day at the office.
Kevin, Pat, and the whole crew at McHale Sign Company are growing here in Shasta County. If you're interested in a great career in manufacturing, reach out and tell them you saw their video. There's opportunities for people with experience and those brand new looking to learn on the job.